Hello learners, welcome to my classroom. Our lesson for today is about Philippine geography. We are going to study about the 17 regions and 81 provinces. There are 8 regions in Luzon, 3 regions in the Visayas, and 6 regions in Mindanao. So there are 17 total regions in the Philippines, and we will divide it into 3 for you to be easier to remember.
Region 1, Ilocos. Ilocos Norte, Capital Laoag City. Ilocos Sur, Capital Vigan City. La Union, Capital San Fernando City. Pangasinan, Capital Lingayen. Region 2, Cagayan Valley. Batanes, Capital Basco. Cagayan, Capital Tuguegarao City. Isabela, Capital Ilagan. Nueva Vizcaya, Capital Bayonggong. Quirino, Capital Cabarrubias. Region 3, Central Luzon. Aurora, Capital Baler. Bataan, Capital Balanga City. Bulacan, Capital Malolos City. Pampanga, Capital San Fernando City. Nueva Ecija, Capital Palayan City. Tarlac, Capital Tarlac City. Zambales, Capital Iba. Region 4A, Calabarzon. Batangas, Capital Batangas City. Cavite, Capital Trece Martires City. Laguna, Capital Santa Cruz. Quezon, Capital Lucena City. Rizal, Capital Antipolo City. Region 4B, Mimaropa. Marindoque, Capital Buwak. Occidental Mindoro, Capital Mambubarao. Oriental Mindoro, Capital Calapan City. Palawan, Capital Puerto Princesa City. Romblon, Capital Romblon. Region 5, Bicol. Albay, Capital Legazpi City. Camarines Norte, Capital Dait. Camarines Sur, Capital Pilik. Catanduanes, Capital Virac. Masbate, Capital Masbate City. Sorsogon, Capital Sorsogon City. Region 6, Western Visayas. Aklan, Capital Calibo. Antique, Capital San Jose. Capiz, Capital Rojas City. Guimaras, Capital Jordan. Iloilo, Capital Iloilo City. Negros, Capital Bacolod City. Region 7, Central Visayas. Bohol, Capital Tagbilaran City. Cebu, Capital Cebu City. Negros Oriental, Capital Dumaguete City. Siquijor, Capital Siquijor. Region 8, Eastern Visayas. Biliran, Capital Naval. Eastern Samar, Capital Borongan City. Leyte, Capital Tacloban City. Northern Samar, Capital Catarman. Southern Leyte, Capital Maasin City. Western Samar, Capital Catbalogan City. Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula. Zamboanga del Norte, Capital Dipolog City. Zamboanga del Sur, Capital Pagadian City. Zamboanga Sibugay, Capital Ipil. Region 10, Northern Mindanao. Bukidnon, Capital Malaybalay City. Camiguin, Capital Mambahaw. Lanao del Norte, Capital Tubod. Misamis Occidental, Capital Oroquita City. Misamis Oriental, Capital Cagayan de Oro City. Region 11, Davao, Compostela Valley, Capital Nabunturan. Davao del Norte, Capital Tagum City. Davao del Sur, Capital Digos City. Davao Oriental, capital city of Mati. Region 12, Sacsayhuaman. Cotabato, North Cotabato, capital Cotabato City. Sarangani, capital Annabel. South Cotabato, capital Coronadal City. Sultan Kudarat, capital Isulan. Region 13, Caraga, Agusan del Norte, capital Cabadbaran City. Agusan del Sur, capital Prosperidad. Dinagat Islands, capital San Jose. Surigao del Norte, capital Surigao City. Surigao del Sur, capital Tandag City. ARMM region, Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Basilan, capital Basilan. Lanao del Sur, capital Marawi City. Maguindanao, capital Sheriff Aguat. Maganoy, Sheriff Kabunsuan, capital Dato Odensonswat. Solo, capital Holo. Tawi-Tawi, capital Panglima Sugala, Balimbing. CAR region, Cordillera Administrative Region. Abra, capital Benguet. Apayao, capital Cabugao. Benguet, capital La Trinidad. Ifugao, capital Lagawi. Kalinga, capital Tabok. Mount Province, capital Buntok. NCR National Capital Region. Cities, Caloocan, Las Peñas, Makati, Malabon, Mandaluyong, Manila, Marikina, Muntinlupa, Navotas, Parañaque, Pasay, Pasig, Quezon City, San Juan, Taguig, Valenzuela, Municipality, Pateros.